It is the end of the year and Miss Honey needs to see which seniors still have textbooks checked out. Luckily, Textbook Tracker makes running reports like this a breeze. Textbook Tracker lets you customize and run a variety of reports to meet the form, content, and organizational requirements for your school. In operations, you have 3 report categories: information-based reports, labels, and notices. For a list of currently checked out textbooks, go to Reports. On the left, you'll have a list of your saved reports. These are reports that you've created and saved for future use. To the right, you have the Details pane, where you can add a report, see report schedules, and learn more about reports. Once a report is selected, it will show the details of the selected report. To add a new report, click the plus sign to the top right, or Add Report from the Details pane. This brings up the report templates, which are sorted by categories to the left. Each report has a brief description and shows examples of the different formats, as long as you have the previews turned on. From the Circulation category, select Loaned Textbooks Information, then Create. On the Overview tab, you can customize your report name and add any usage notes about the report. You also have selections to Favorite, Share, for those of you in a centralized catalog, Schedule, and Notify. When scheduling the report, you have the option of the frequency and around what time you'd like the report to run. Check the Notify box if you want to enable email notification, sent upon report completion. You can choose to save your report here by clicking Save at the top right. This makes it so the report is listed in your saved reports, so you can easily find and run the report in the future. The Selections tab is where you pick the data to include in the report. If you find some of your reports lacking the necessary selection information, try checking the Show Additional box for more options. For our report for our senior class, we will enter patrons and grades 12 through 12. On the Options tab, verify your format and how you want the report sorted. If you're not sure which format will best suit your needs, you can look at the report preview examples on the Overview tab or check out the Support Center for examples of the report. The Options tab can also contain additional options, such as including or hiding certain information. To save your reports to a specific FTP location, you can set that up in the Save To tab. With the report set up as you'd like, click Run at the bottom right. If you haven't already and you want to save your changes, click Save and Run. You can then retrieve the report by going back to your operations by clicking Operations from your side nav or by using the message drawer, then clicking the PDF icon once the report is ready. If you're passing along the report and need to include the operations summary with the report PDF, you can use the download icon in the middle to download the results with the summary included. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can always reach out to our customer support team.